Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a Google app to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the lock screen option right here. And now we are looking for the Google option. There it is. So by default, all of them are on. We can enable or disable them on using this switch at the top. But if you want a single application to enable or disable, we need to use the single switch right here. So if we turn it off, the application won't be able to send notifications while our lock screen is on. And we can turn it on or off, whatever we want. And that's basically it. Bye.